My name is Nandan and I am from Nandan GSE Private Limited, India's leading manufacturer of aviation ground support equipment. Based in Bombay, we deliver a variety of equipments like catering high lifts, step ladders, baggage conveyors, ambulifts, dollies, trolleys into the airports all around India and Asia and Africa. We also make a variety of material handling equipment which are used in industry very widely. Today, we would like your attention to showcase one of our most premier products, the catering high lift for the upper deck of the A380, which we call the Catering Titan. It has been the apple of our eye where we've seen it right from the development till production, and now the final trials are on. A little demo on this, we would take your time. Thank you. The A380 was introduced by Airbus Industries from Toulouse in 2007. This behemoth, which is the world's largest passenger carrier, has created a lot of special challenges for people who do catering as well as handling. The upper deck catering, which is a necessity for the smooth functioning of the plane, created special challenges for the world's leading flight caterers, who in turn got together to different manufacturers, tabled a committee to set up the specs for the A380 high lift. Nandan GSE was one of the founder members of this particular team, and Nandan, relying on the expertise of Byron, has taken forward the Catering Titan product under license from Byron, who have made 26 such high lifts. This is designed on a 10-wheeler 25-ton GVW vehicle, which is manufactured by Eicher in India, a joint venture with Volvo. The body is so designed such to lift up to heights of 8.4 meters and create some special movements, which we will be seeing in the video from now on. The vehicle is also fitted with automatic transmission, which leads to very controlled motion by the driver, as well as a refrigeration unit from carrier from France. All in all, this vehicle is designed for all operations, right from a 737 right up to the upper deck of a A380. The body attains a maximum height of 8.4 meters and is suitable with a 3-stage telescopic cylinder. It is interlocked with a stabilizer such that unless the stabilizers are deployed, the vehicle will not lift. All the operations can be controlled by the operator who is inside the van body. There is no requirement for a driver to be sitting in the vehicle at all times. The vehicle is also self-raising, that is, the engine RPM increases when required. This position, once it crosses the 6-meter height, that is the height of wide-body aircraft, and goes specifically into the A380 mode, where the body has to travel over the wing, there is a special lock that is deployed on the roller, such that even if there is a collapse of the hydraulics, which will never happen, but the rollers will come and rest at a height which is above the height of the wing, which means that at no time is the wing of the aircraft going to get damaged. The body up there can start moving. It's got a forward motion, it's got a platform which can move front and back, it's got a platform which can move widen and close, and the hydraulic operations of the valance are also possible. Everything is controlled by the PLC, which ensures there is no mistake made in the operation. Once the operator functions the widen function, he can take it forward to interface it exactly to the aircraft, thus narrowing the gap. And this is the exact position under which the A380 will be serviced in all its safety. There are stainless steel side grills which will ensure there is no material which will fall off, and the entire door of the A380 will open inside this grill itself. Once the service is complete, the operator has got a special function which is called pack up and home. This is an automated sequence of events which is pre-programmed into the PLC such that from this position right up to the time when it's ready for driving, all the operations happen in a sequential and planned manner. One by one in sequence, the operations are so designed such that the operator can never make a mistake of, instead of taking the platform in, taking it out and damaging the aircraft. So, as such, the operators are told to use the pack up and home function. The standby is only used in the case of an emergency when a failure occurs and they need to replace these. Each function has a sensor. Only when the sensor is sensed will the next step happen. You can see the engine RPM has gone up automatically only for those functions where higher hydraulic pressure is required and the flow is required. During the platform operations, the engine is running at idling. Nandan can design this on any chassis that you so desire. It has to just be a 25-ton GVW vehicle with tent, and the rest of the retrofitments can be done accordingly. The design is completely based on an international patent which is taken out by the Byron Group and which has 26 such vehicles in running throughout the world. And we've followed the design, modified it for the Indian chassis which is Eicher so as to make it economical. The control system is entirely PLC based. Each individual has its own login so that the entire unit can be logged what all operations take place. This is a Siemens based touchscreen. We have specially devised it along with the Siemens company. It consists of 4 basic menus: the body setup, the platform, pack up and home, and the hydraulic. The hydraulic status gives us an exact indication about what is the status of the vehicle, whether it is in the 380 mode, what is the position of the stabilizer. You can actually start the engine from here. You can stop the engine from here. For all the functions, the press and hold has to be pressed. The engine is started now and it says the service mode activated. There is always a feedback that is given. Now I can stop the engine from here. This is, it says here, engine not running, PTO disengage. These functions are very important because once the operator is here, he is really not able to see what's happening around. So he can see whether the engine is running, the neutral gear, the handbrake, PTO engage, A380 operation mode, emergency stop, whether any of the doors are open, is a service mode or not, and whether the pressure is low. Now we go back to the main menu, and from here, once the stabilizer is deployed by the driver, he comes up. The body can be set up. Again, in this way, he would press and hold and select one of the options. It would come down to like a body up-down selection, and then he would press the press and hold button and use the joystick front or back. This single joystick controls all the functions for the body, for the platform, as well as the lift. There are two press and hold buttons such that a righty can use the left one and the lefty can use the right one. So it's designed with ergonomics in mind. The body light, beacon light and the platform light also can be switched on from this. There is a hard-coded engine start and engine stop also, just in case the PLC malfunctions and the operator has to start it on. There is a loud horn which shows that there is an emergency and the operator needs help from down, and because of the airport noise cannot get it through. The emergency stops all the function. Again, the feedback will be given by the PLC that the emergency stop is engaged. Now we go back to the main menu, go to the hydraulic status, and we start the engine. The moment we start the engine, it comes back to the mode where you can start it up. And you can set up the platform, again the platform close, the retract, etc. You can set up. There is a special feature which I talked about a little time ago, which is called the pack up and home. This function is used when the aircraft has already been catered for, the vehicle is kept in the A380 mode, and now we need to pack it up. Pack up and home asks you this: do you really want to pack up and home? You need to press the press and hold and press the joystick. Till the joystick is pressed, the pack up and home function will work. The moment the joystick is released, it will stop there and there. The side door has a safety such that only when it's closed will the operations work from the platform, so that no operator can ever fall off. The operator can open up and get onto the platform. This is the primary area where the operator will be working on, and we have given the working area which is between these two yellow lines, which is a safe zone for any operator to stand and take the goods. It's good enough. The van body is made with 4 inches thick FRP puff FRP sandwich panels with structural reinforcements inside. It is entirely food grade and suitable for HACCP requirements. There are these simple folding plates which can be folded when not in use, and at other times can hold kettles, cutlery and other things. There is LED based lights which are put in with these wonderful fluorescent lighting inside. We provided the tracks so that the trolleys can be bound with a ratchet. There is a strong EPM with bumper so that the trolleys do not bang into the door. We are then closing insulated doors so that the refrigeration is contained inside. Last but not the least, we have a very powerful Carrier Supra 844 refrigeration unit which gets down the temperature from an ambient of 27 to 30 degrees right up to 0 in a matter of 18 minutes. Thank you for your time and your patience in looking through this demo. We are hopeful you've seen the features and the capabilities of Nandan's A380 Catering Titan, and we hope it can be part of your fleet someday. Till then, thank you very much. Any more details, please feel free to write to us at info@nandan.co.in or visit our website at www.nandan.co.in. Thank you.